That's it, we got him. Good, and this is well solid in. Look at that. I love it, I love it, I love it. Voila. Now we're going with this. What's this going to be? Small. 13. It's only a good tote back plate, huh? Bit of tapping, it loosens, sometimes it loosens it. Could be a 12 this. Could be a 12. We will see. And it's gone, folks. Get the beast on the job. There we go. Rub. And the back plate. There we have the stub axle, folks. Ever seen a stub axle? Mostly how your vehicles go together. That is from there. That's on the drag link empty track rod. And that bar goes to the bottom of your suspension. Then, what is not fitted? Cup of tea. Petulant Sykes. I would say 76 CV3 KO33, I would say these are original to the car. They'll get sandblasted, painted, they'll look very nice, may I say? Very nice. Well, we'll see at the end of the video, at the end of the project. To be honest with you. This is the no good anyway. Rambo. Watch the lamp. Oh dear. Where are we? Where are we? Right. That's all. Right, what we're going to do with this kit? Come okay. Yeah. For this we're doing a split pins everywhere. At least when you put them back, you know how it's going to come undone. Yeah. I told you I'll kick it over, huh? Right, let's have a look at this side. Yes. And the chop. Just try and push it that way. Straighten it with the pliers. There folks, it's another one. Yeah, can't have to shear it off. There it goes. Oh, somewhere to hang this. Here we go. Right. Right, here we go. That's not big enough. Right. Right there, 22 and roll 50. Solid hand job, folks. If you go, just think of what fun I've when I'm drilling these holes out. Put split pins back in. They're great, alright. That's it, they've gone. There's a bit of a dicky fit, folks. There's a bit of a dicky fit. quite a collection of bolts and tackle here. Good stuff. I'll gather it clean, hopefully in the sandblaster, and that we'll have a video on the sandblaster. It's homemade, it's large, right, because you can get wheels in it, flat wheels. It works. But that's the result we want at the end of the day, isn't it? So, a working sandblaster. This is precarious, to say the least. That might have to come off with the old suspension, so I can have a go at it on the floor. Might be the best idea. That's what it's all about. That's it. Making the bolt tank. What I have to do is just go and chop the back wheels. They like spiders. The one just doing over there, he's got a t-shirt on with his name on it. You have to do when you make an on-plastic cars and they've been stood. You'd be surprised at what makes its home in there. Yeah. When I said at the beginning, I think this front crossmember has been off before. I'll just pull here a minute. If you can see these two indentations where welding's taken place. Well, that somebody's dented it in so that they can get to thingy. Now I've got to take this lot off. Might have to show you my new tool on the floor. So yeah, I'll show you my new tool on the floor. Right, I'm going to take these bolts out. Extra reach. No, don't mess about. Get in there. Let's take this right near to end and chop it up. By the way, these bolts, the nuts are oval, so it's hard to tighten up, to put in and tighten up, but they're also stiff to get out. And they, because they can't have a locking nut on, that's why because they're always tight, they won't come loose. They're like caravan hub nuts, they're oval, so they don't come undone. No split pins or anything. It's hard to put on, torqueable, and you probably have to get a long bar to get them off. Great stuff. Come on, don't mess me about. What's it with you? That's it. biggest chance for muscles to intervene and see what happens. Oh. What's that like? Very good. New bolts required there. Get straight to that, unless it cleans up. I don't know. Anyway, next time you see it, I'll have the axe off. So, see you in a minute.